The steamship Earnslaw, one of the only in the world still operating. Coal burner, yes, but what a beautiful vessel. Out of Queenstown, up Lake Whakatipu, its destination. There's a little spot way over there on the other side of the lake under what's called Walters Peak. It's Walters Peak Station, where you can get an exhibition of farming, food and more beautiful scenery. There's plenty more where they come from too. Some more modern boats heading the same way. Got jet boats doing their thing. Queenstown here behind me. Beautiful little town. Parasailing. Come up by the gondola. Restaurant. There's all sorts to do in this little village. All sorts. Come on down.